Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to change sound settings on Warhammer Speed Freaks game. To do that, firstly click on the gear icon to open the main menu, then choose settings. This is the first point in the game. Then click on audio. This is the second option in settings menu. And here we can mute all sounds. As you can see, this is the master volume. We can just disable all sounds just using all setting here. But we can just decrease the volume level, master volume level. But we can decrease levels separately. So, for example, we can decrease dialogue volume level, for example, or music. So I muted the music, but I can enable it again. And so I can mute all separately, as you can see, and leave, for example, only sound effects, for example. And then don't forget to click space and escape to go back to the lobby. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye, see you.